in what time a sum of money will be double at the rate of 5%. So we know AB equal to PB plus 1 plus I here 5% equal to 1.5. Let PB equal to 100 taka and FB will be 100 into 2 equal to 200 অর্থাৎ because of double. So FB equal to PB 1 plus I n FB 200 PB 100 1 plus I 0 5 0 5 because of 5%. So 200 equal to 100 1.05 n. It will be 2 and it will be 1 plus 1 into 0.05 n. So using log in both sides, log 2 log plus log 2 equal to log 1 into 0.5 n will be first. So n equal to log 2 log 1 in 1.05. So n equal to 2 log 2 equal to 0.3010 by log 1.05 equal to 212 using calculator. So n equal to 14.2 years. It will be 14.2 years to make double 100 taka to 200 taka. Thank you.